Good morning, children. How are you? All are fine? Welcome to English class. As our second midterm exams are beginning from 23rd, we will do the revision. Tell me two words with ob family. M-O-B, mob. J-O-B, job. Tell me two words with odd word family. O-D, odd word family. C-O-D, code. R-O-D, rod. Tell me two words with Ogword family. O-G, Ogword family. D-O-G, dog. J-O-G, jog. Tell me two words with Awkward family. C-O-P, cop. M-O-P, mob. Tell me two words with Awkward family. C-O-T, cot. P-O-T, pot. Tell me two words with Oxford family. O-X, Oxford family. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. Look at the picture and write the correct word. The tea is hot. H-O-T. Is it hot or hat? It is hot. H-O-T. Second, the boy has a top. T-O-P. Top. Is it tap or top? It is top. T-O-P. The dash is in the box. Pen or den? It is pen. P-E-N. The pen is in the box. Fourth, the dash is behind the tree. What is behind the tree? Fix or fox? Fox. Fox. F-O-X. The fox is behind the tree. Fifth, the dash is a fish. Caught or code. The code, C-O-D, code is a fish. We have done with the revision for the second midterm examination. Now all of you look at the board. Children, these are the word families with U sound. Upward family, U-B. Upward family, U-D. Udward family, U-G. Ugward family, U-M. Umward family, U-N. Unward family, U-P. Upward family, U-S. Usward family, U-T. Utward family. In the last class, we learnt the words with word families, upward family, udward family and ugward family. In this class, we will learn the words of word families, umward family, unward family and upward family. Look children, let's meet new word families with short vowel U sound in the middle and let's read them aloud. We'll see some words with UM, umward family. This is gum, G-U-M, gum. Look children, the last two letters of the word gum is U and M. G-U-M, it belongs to umward family. Hum, she's humming, hum, hum, H-U-M. The last two letters of the word hum is U and M. Hum belongs to umward family. Mum, mum, M-U-M, mum. Sum, S-U-M, sum. Y-U-M, yum. Now we will see the words with unword family, U-N, unword family. This is a picture of a bun, B-U-N, bun. Look children, the last two letters of the word bun is U and N. Bun belongs to unword family. All the children are having fun. F-U-N, fun. Gun, G-U-N, gun. N-U-N, nun. S-U-N, sun. Let's read. The Sun is hot and big. Hum and have fun. Mum has a yum bun. Mum, please help me do the sum. Now we will see the words with UP, upward family. Up, UP, up. He's climbing up. See, he's climbing up the stairs. UP, up. This is cup. CUP, cup. The last two letters of the word cup is U and P. This word belongs to upward family. CUP, cup. Pup, PUP, pup. The last two letters of the word pup is U and P. This word belongs to upward family. Now all of you look at the board. We will read the words with word family. Word family. You have to say and write. Okay? Whenever you write, you have to say and write. GUM, gum. HUM, hum. SUM, sum. Gum, hum, sum. These are the words with word family. Now we will read the words with unword family. BUN, bun. The spelling is very easy. BUN. When you write, say and write. BUN, bun. FUN, fun. SUN, sun. Bun, fun, sun. Now we will see the words with upward family. UP, upward family. UP, up. UP, up. CUP, cup. CUP, cup. PUP, pup. Up, cup, pup. Hope all of you have understood this class. Do well for your exams. Best wishes to you all for your examination. Thank you. Take care. Bye.